folks, Todd from Rat Stash here, and earlier today you saw me purchase 2 mystery boxes. Ooh. Now these were from the antique mall here in Virginia Beach, and you saw the videos, or I've seen real see the videos, and we went to this place. It took us 2 hours upstairs with all the toys. Okay.
Yeah, it was amazing.
We were both overwhelmed by everything we saw. And it's like, we'll get these and see what they are. And of course, me being the DC fan, I bought 2 mystery boxes. And we said we'd open them later on the video, so.
It's from the Toymeister.
Toymeister.
And listen, you were only going to buy 1, but I kind of twisted your arm really, really, really hard.
Yeah, it went from there to there. Going, how much buy 2?
Really hard to like get to.
Yeah. So, anyhow.
And tell him what the guy at the counter said when we were checking out.
Yeah, he packed these.
He packed them, so he knows what's in each.
He knows roughly what's in there.
He knows what he put in the boxes, and he said they're well worth it. So
they are. I mean,
hopefully
these are cost $20 each, and includes multiple loose figures valued over $40. So hey, they're trying to move stuff. I'll happily take it off their hands.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what's
inside here.
Let's see what we got. I think it's a great idea.
It is.
We always see those mystery ones like on Whatnot,
Right. So, mystery box number 1.
Okay.
And Batman.
You have Batman? Okay, let me see if I can. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Yep. Okay, go ahead, Batman.
Got the Flash.
Oh,
I got another Batman.
Okay. I kind of like that blue Batman. That's kind of cool.
It's kind of different, huh?
Yeah, Batman.
I got maybe Superman. No uniform.
Okay.
Another Superman.
Superman. Okay.
That's cool. Another Batman. This Batman here is worth $7.
$7 Batman.
$7
Okay.
right there.
Oh, it has a price tag on him. Okay. Ooh.
I've got
2 Batmans down.
Another Batman.
Okay, so we got a Batman.
Hey, look. Another Batman.
Another Batman.
And
wait, hold on a second. I'm zoomed too much. Oh, is that Aquaman?
I got Aquaman. And
look at that.
Looks like a punching.
Oh, a punching Aquaman.
Or swimming or praising Aquaman.
All right, cool. Aquaman.
Pretty cool. And I've got a Flash.
Okay.
And I've got...
Actually, that box is kind of worth it.
The Riddler.
Oh, the Riddler.
Edward Nygma.
Edward Nygma.
Yes, the Riddler.
Okay.
And I've got...
Oh, there's still more.
Gotta have Batgirl.
Oh, you have Batgirl? Okay.
And a Beast Boy.
What?
Character is Beast Boy.
Oh,
So
that's not young Joker?
No. Well, could be a Joker.
I think it's young Joker.
Could be a Joker.
I don't know.
No, looks like the Beast Boy too.
Is Beast Boy from DC?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Teen Titans.
Oh, okay.
I mean, that could be Joker too. So, anyhow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 figures in this box.
13 figures in one box.
Awesome.
For $20.
For $20.
That was a good deal.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a little over $1.50 each.
That's good.
Yeah, it's really good. So,
ooh, box number 2.
Box number 2. Let's see what we got. These boxes would be good for shipping then too.
Yeah. Okay. No.
Hey, look what's in here.
Batman? No.
Batman.
Is it? Batman.
Hey, look what's in here. Batman.
Well, wait. You're going too fast, and I'm not seeing them. Okay. Kind of people want to see kind of what you got.
Got Batman.
Okay.
Batman.
All right.
And if I'm not mistaken, I've got Batman.
Batman.
And oh, look at this. It's a very, very small Batman.
Batman. So are you trying? Is they
it's
trying
Batman,
to?
It's a little people Batman, I guess.
Are they trying to tell us that Batman is not selling, so they're putting it in boxes?
However, we have Robin.
Oh, we have Robin. First Robin.
And looks like Robin.
Robin. Okay.
And oh, look at this. It's Robin.
Robin.
It's the little people version of Robin.
Okay.
Or the midget Robin.
Okay.
And oh my, look at this. It's Batman.
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 Okay.
And you got Batman. You gotta have the
Oh,
Batmobile.
Batcar. Look at that.
That's
Actually,
the Batmobile from the Batman with the Heath Ledger Joker, I believe.
Okay, that's cool.
And here is Superboy.
Oh, Superboy.
Superboy.
Okay.
And oh look, Batman.
Batman. Okay.
And I'll be damned. It's another Batman.
How many Batmans do we get?
And Superman.
Oh, okay.
All right. And a cyborg type Superman.
Oh, like half Superman, half machine.
Well, he's got some robotics on him, look like.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And this one, this is cool. The Batman belt buckle.
Really?
That is cool.
Oh, that is cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah, I like that.
And
Okay.
big-headed little dude here. I don't know who this is, but it looks like he give you a flasher. You got the overcoat thing.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know who he is.
But anyhow,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16 in that
16
one?
for that one.
Wow. So now what are you going to do with them? Are you going to keep some? Or are you going to sell them on Whatnot?
Some, and I'm probably gonna go on Whatnot, I think.
Whatnot? Yeah. Did you have fun getting them? Would you get them again? What's your
cool.
rating on that?
They're cool. That's an 8 out of 10.
You would say 8 out of 10. I mean,
8 out of 10.
actually that's good for a reseller.
Yeah, that is very good for a reseller.
Yeah.
And you know what? I happen to know a few.
Oh, we do.
I do.
We do. All right. Well, cool.
So, mystery boxes, no longer a mystery.
No longer a mystery.
But we know we are protected tonight.
So we would recommend if you were down here.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, so what we had 13 in the first box and 16 in the second.
16 in the second box. So we've got 30, 29
29.
for $40.
No, 39.
29.
29.
29 for $40.
Yeah.
A little over $1, $1.25, $1.50 each. And they probably sell for probably about $5 each minimum on a lot of them. So
Yeah. Very good.
They're well worth the money. So
Cool.
there's still 2 down there of that. There was about 3 or 4 Power Rangers and 3 or 4 of the fast food.
It was called fast food, yeah.
Fast food things. So I'm guessing like McDonald's toys, that kind of
Yeah.
thing.
But then I guess the kid said he was going to make more, right?
Probably.
Yeah, he was going to make
He said it was the
a vintage
boxes had really good stuff in, but they're gone already.
Yeah, vintage toy boxes. Mystery vintage toy
Yeah.
boxes, but he said they
But
went
you know
fast.
what? We know the place is. Maybe by the end of the week, I'll just have to.
Oh, and it's only like 10 minutes away from our hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might have to just drive back there like Saturday morning before we leave.
Maybe we'll have to call our new friend that we met and we'll be like, hey, you want to meet at the toy store?
If he's not out on the road already.
Yeah.
On the weekend.
What's his name? Toymeister?
Toymeister.
Toymeister.
Toymeister. It's right here in the box. It's pretty cool. They
Yeah.
do have a
Let me
website
see.
and everything.
Let me see. Toymeister.
So if any of you are collectors out there of toys.
Wait, isn't that from Rudolph the toy? No.
No.
Where?
The Heat Miser
Heat Miser.
and the Snow Miser.
Okay, I'm
I'm not
tired.
going the song and dance with those.
I'm tired. Okay.
We're both tired. That's okay. I like your enthusiasm for this.
Oh, okay. I was thinking something else.
Yeah.
So good news is the storm seemed to have stopped.
It's still a little windy. I can hear the wind outside.
You can hear the wind.
But I'm watching the ocean from here, and it's not a lot of whitecaps out there. They kind of calmed down today.
Yeah. Tell them what happened. You just took the garbage out because with COVID, we didn't realize this because we're not like frequent hotel people.
No.
So we didn't really know, but they don't come in every day.
We don't do house cleaning every day anymore.
No.
Hotels.
So I had a lobster roll, and unfortunately I can't eat it all.
No.
So I had some extra, and I didn't want to make the room smell like fish.
Yeah.
And Todd had wings and other stuff that was kind of smelly, so we didn't want to keep it in the room. So Todd went out in the hall, and tell him what you saw.
3 of the rooms had the doors ajar, and I could hear some high-powered blowers going in them.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that from the hurricane and tropical storm that blew up through here, they had some leaks. So
Leaks.
They're trying to dry the room down.
And here, the reason I want to show you that is because look over here. Can you see the wetness? I don't know if you can see it. There's water coming in our room as we speak. So we are on the 8th floor.
Yeah.
And it was pretty nasty today. Yeah. So it was actually pretty nasty the past 3 days, I guess. We weren't down
here.
We weren't down here Sunday, but we were here Monday. Sunday was really bad. Monday was bad. There was flooding down here, and now it does seem like it stopped. The wind is still coming up, but it's
not bad.
It's not raining, so hopefully tomorrow, all the weather reports say no rain.
Yeah. So
we'll be good to go outside.
Go out and about and have some fun tomorrow.
And we're gonna do some outdoor adventures. Yes. So, all right. Well, you guys have a great night.
Y'all take care. Stay safe. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are really close to 900.
We need 2 more.
2 more people. And we're still pushing for that 1,000 to get there.
Yeah. So we need 102 people to get us to 1,000 so that we can be monetized, which would be nice. And then we can do
get different algorithms so more people see us.
And then we can do YouTube Live.
Yeah. And you know what? We could travel more and
because then we'll start getting money.
Bring you folks more things to see.
Yeah. We kind of would like to be paid to do this. Yeah. We're very entertaining, and it would be very nice if we could get some money. So
you realize we're coming up on 3 years of YouTube.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. 3 years.
3 years to get 900 people.
Wow. It's a tough business, buddy.
Yeah.
But, we're fun.
But also, if you haven't, again, to check out our YouTube channel, check out our Facebook, Instagram, and rat_stash on TikTok.
Yes. Oh, there you go. Good. Look at there, Todd. Todd learned TikTok. All right. Anyway.
Y'all take care. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Bye.